Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install VLC media player on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Play Store. Now after opening the Play Store, go to the search bar and search VLC. And now click on this cone icon and then tap on install. Now it will start downloading VLC for your mobile. So downloading speed depends on your internet connection. Now after downloading, tap on open and then click on next. Now tap on skip. And now you can use the VLC media player on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So that's how you can install the VLC media player on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.